Okay, so I have scraped the varnish and the spots of paint off with the palette knife, and now the process is to gently clean the back with this is a nylon soft abrasive pad. So because it's so soft, I can go across the grain here. You don't want to try and get your finger and take these bits of paint out. You have to scrape those out. I've missed those with the palette knife. A little bit more. As you can see, very, very, very slowly it starts to come up nicely. And all the lovely grain and the patina is starting to appear. Let me just get a cloth and wipe this. You can see in the light we've still maintained all those lovely dents and scratches which will make the floor look wonderful when it's finished and give it great character and undulation. And these are waiting to be scraped with the palette knife down here. And they're all being soaked.